In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the internet in 4 simple steps. Whether we want to access the internet to read the news, go internet shopping, watch music videos, check the weather, or check the train times, it all starts off with a simple search. So step 1. The first thing we do is take the pointer, put it onto the taskbar and look for this blue icon down the bottom. This is called Microsoft Edge, and when we left click once onto this, it will take us to the internet. So put the pointer onto it, left click once. If you haven't done this already, put the pointer onto I accept and left click once. You'll need to do this to be able to continue. Step 2 is to type our search. You should just be able to start typing and you'll see the letters appear in the search box in the middle of the page. I'm just going to go backspace and get rid of those letters. If your typing doesn't automatically appear in the search box here, put the pointer into the box, left click once, and you'll see the cursor flashing. This means you can start typing. In this case, we're going to go to the BBC's website to look at the news. So just type out the letters BBC, and then step 3 is to press the enter key. It is essential that you press the enter key, whatever your search terms are. You must press the enter key afterwards, as this sends the information to the internet and the search results come back to us on the page in front of us here. If you don't press this enter key, you could be sitting there forever waiting for something to happen. So press the enter key and the search results appear on the page. Now what the search engine does for us, it goes to the internet and it finds everything it can to do with the search term BBC, which is what we've typed in, and it comes back to us in a very short space of time, about 1 second I think it was, and it has found 84 million results to do with the search term the BBC. Now this is a lot of search results. If I use the scroll wheel on the mouse to go down the page, every time you see blue writing down the page here or over here, look, every time you see blue writing, that counts as 1 search result. I can keep going down the page, and then when I get to the bottom of the page, we'll see there are tabs here for page 2, page 3, page 4, going on and on and on to 100, 200, etc. until 84 million results are revealed. Now life's too short to be doing this. So what the search engine does, it puts the search results into some sort of order. It puts the search results into some sort of order of relevance. And at the very top of the page, the most relevant result will appear. So as a beginner, get used to going to the very first search result, which is in this case is this one here, this very first blue link here. This is most likely going to be the search result you're looking for. So put the pointer onto the blue text. You'll see the pointer turns into a hand symbol. This is telling us that we're in the right place to click onto it, and it's a link to a website. It's going to take us to the BBC's website. So left click once. So step 4 is clicking onto the link, which will take you to the website of your choice. And as we can see here, we're on the BBC's website now. This is called the home page, which is like the front cover of a book. And if we hover the pointer over these tabs over here, these categories, we can see we've got home, which is where we are at the moment. We've also got the news, we've got sports, we've got weather, and every website you go to should have tabs similar to this, which mean you can click onto them and you can search within the website for other interesting information and web pages. If I put the pointer onto news and left click once, remember it's always 1 left click. This takes us to the news section of the website. And again, now we're in this section of the website, you'll see other categories and tabs here. We've got business, we've got politics, all these different categories here, and we can click onto these, left click once, and again it will take a section of the website. So it's useful just to play around with the website, get used to clicking on different tabs, different categories, and whenever you hover the pointer over something and it turns into a hand, this means it's a clickable link, and you can left click once onto it and it will take you to another part of the website. Also, you can put the pointer onto the screen anywhere on the screen. The pointer turns into a hand when I hover over the pictures, which means again we can click on these pictures and it will take us to different stories on the website. If, for example, you wanted to read about technology helping authors to write books, put the pointer onto either the photo or the writing, and when you see the hand, it means you can left click once onto it and it will take you to more information regarding that story. So left click once. Then once you're on that web page, you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse to go up and down the page so you can read the story. On your keyboard, you can also use the arrow keys up and down, which will take you down and then back up the page. On your keyboard, you could also use the page up and page down buttons. So I'm going to go page down, and as you can see, it goes down the page, and page up takes you back up the page again. You can also use the home and end buttons. If I press the end button, it takes us to the bottom of the page, and if I press the home button, it takes us back to the top of the page. So spend some time playing around with websites, and when you're finished with a particular website and you want to close it down, take the pointer up to the top right hand corner to the cross. When the cross becomes red, left click once and it closes the page down.